Today we are going to start our new topic, which is addition, which belongs to class 3rd, 4th and 5th. So what addition is? We have heard about it many times. Addition is an operation which is performed on two or more than two numbers, by performing which you will get the answer which would be greater than the number that we have taken. This is the symbol of addition. If you are adding these two numbers, your result will be 8. We can add two numbers by doing multiple tasks, like you can count these numbers on your fingers. We are having 1, 2, 3 and 4 fingers, and if you want to add 4 more numbers into it, just add these 4 fingers also. So total we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 and these 4 also, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in total these 4 total fingers are 8 in number. So a result is 8. So another way of doing addition is we can take lines also, like we are having 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and if you want to add 4 into it, just take 4 more lines. In total there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in total we are having 8 lines. So by adding these 4 lines, your answer will be 8. So let's just start our exercise. So our first question is 8 plus 5 plus 1. If we are adding 8 plus 5, your result would be 8 plus 5 is 13 and 13 plus 1 is 14. So your answer will be 14. I have done it in my head. You can also done it using your fingers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are done with it. Next number we are having is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And one more number is 1. So up to here I was having 30. And after adding one more, our result would be 14, which is your answer. And now question number second. We are having just two numbers over here. So 9 plus 9 is 18. So let's just start do this by second method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now add this with the second number, which is also 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now just count it all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So your answer is 18. Now next example is, here we are having 3 digits. 3 plus 9 plus 2. What it would be? 3 plus 9 is 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So your answer would be 14. So as we are done with our topic right now, so first of all we have discussed about addition, what addition is. After that we have done some questions of it. I have taught you 3 of the methods. One by doing on your fingers, second one is by using lines, and third one is in your head. It would be more beneficial and it will take lesser time if you will do it in your head. As you are in class 3rd, 4th and 5th, so it is my advice to you. So just do it in your head, so it will take less time as compared to the other 2 methods.
So now we are going to start our next topic, which is adding 2-digit numbers. Now we are having 2-digit number 25 and 43. Okay, 25 plus 43, this is our ones place and this one is our tens place. Ones place and tens place. When you are adding 2 numbers, digits or numbers, then you just need to add the numbers, like this is ones number, so add that with ones digit only. You can't add the ones digit with tens. So as we are having 3 on ones place, so we will add this number by the 5 of ones place of another number only. 3 plus 5 is 8 and here 4 and 2 is 6. I have written this in this format also. If it would be convenient for you guys to understand, 2 tens plus 5 ones, 4 tens plus 3 ones. These 2 digits are of ones place value, so 5 plus 3 is 8 and 2 and 4 are of tens value, so 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 tens plus 8 ones is 68. You can do this by using column method also. Like we are having tens and ones. Directly arrange them accordingly, like we are having 25. Just write these numbers. 3 is on ones place, so just put it down, the 5. And your 4 is at tens place, so write it down. Just put the symbol also. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is our column method, and this is our another method by expanding the numbers. Similarly, we will now move to addition of 3-digit numbers. We are having, now you need to add 452 with 126. Write it down. 4, 5, 2, 1, 2, 6. 6 on ones place, and here 2 is on ones place, so just add these two numbers. 6 plus 2 is 8. So I have written it here. 2 plus 5. Both these number belongs to tens place, so we will add these numbers. 5 plus 2 will give you 7. Similarly, 4 and 1. These two belongs to hundreds place, so 4 plus 1 will result into 5. I have expanded these numbers for you. 4 hundreds plus 5 tens plus 2 ones. Similarly, 126 can be written as 1 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 6 ones. If you will add these two numbers, 6 plus 2 will be your 8, 5 plus 2 will be your 7, and 4 plus 1 will be your 5. And when you will simplify this, you will get 578. As we have learnt about column method earlier, we will do that same with this also. According to column method, just arrange these numbers. We are having 3 place values here, ones, tens and 100. Ones, tens, 100, just write these numbers according to their place values. 452. Okay, now just write 126. 6 is on ones place, so just put it down the 2. 2 is on tens place, so write it below 5, and 1 is on 100 place, so write it down the 4. Now just put your symbol. Now just add them. 6 plus 2 is 8, 5 plus 2 is your 7, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So your answer will be 578. So now students, let's just move to our addition of 4-digit numbers. We are having 4235 and 2652. Now just add these numbers. First of all, just you should be aware of the place values of the numbers. We have written 4235. This is ones place, tens place, after that 100 place and 1000 place. When we are adding two numbers, we need to move from left to right. First of all, just add this 2 by 5, 5 by 3, 6 by 2 and 2 by 4. So let's just get started. 2 plus 5 is 7, 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 plus 2 is 8 and 2 plus 4 is. Let's just do it by using column method. Arrange these two numbers accordingly. Now just put these numbers behind their place below their place values. 4235, 5 is on ones place, so write it down. 3 is on tens place, 2 is on 100 place, 4 is on 1000 place. Similarly, 2652, arrange it this number also. 2 is on ones place, 5 is on tens place, 100 is on 6 is on 100 place and 2 is on 1000th place. Now add these numbers. 5 plus 2 is 7, 3 plus 5 is 8, 2 plus 6 is 8 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So your answer is 6887. Now we'll deal with some large numbers. So our topic is operation on large numbers. We are having these two numbers. So as I have told you earlier that the most convenient method to solve the addition of the two numbers is column method. So let's just get started with these two numbers. Arrange these two numbers as in column. We are having 24833, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So this would be 33,842. Similarly, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So we can spell it like 19,435. So write it down. We are having 10,000, 1000, 100, tens and ones. Now just arrange these numbers. We are having 2 on ones place, 4 on tens place, 8 on hundreds place, 3 on 1000 place and 3 again on 10,000s place. So our number is 33,842. Similarly, just move to this number also. 5 is on ones place, 3 is on tens place, 4 is on hundredths place, 9 is on 10,000s place, and 1 is on 10,000 place. So our number is 19,435. 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 plus 3 is 7, 8 plus 4 is 12. When you are adding 2 digits, and if you will get the 2-digit number, so just write down this ones place digit over here and just put these carry on the next number. We are having 1 as our carry, so just keep it above the next place value. So 8 plus 4 is 12, we have put the carry on over next number. 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 1, you need to add this carry also. 12 plus 1 is 13. Now do that same thing as we have done earlier. We are having 13. So write this ones place over here and just transfer this carry to the next number. Okay, now we are having this one in our carry. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 would be your 5. So this is your answer. So our number is 53,277. So we are done with our first question. So just move to next question. Now we will add 3 numbers, this and this. We are having this 5, 1, 4, 2, 3 and 1. So arrange them. 1 is on ones place, write it here. Now 3 is on tens place, 2 is on 100 place, 4 is on 1000 place, 1 is on 10,000 place, and 5 is on lakhs place. So our number is 5,14,231. Next number is this. Arrange it also. 0 is on ones place, 2 is on tens place, 1 is on hundreds place, 2 is on thousands place, 2 is again on 10,000 place, and 1 is on lakhs place. So now we are having the third number with us. Write it down. 7 is on ones place, 3 is on tens place, 6 is on hundreds place, 1 is on thousands place, 3 is on 10,000 place, and 2 is on lakhs place. Since we are doing addition, so just put the symbol also. This is a symbol of our addition. Okay. Now just add these numbers. We are having 3 digits over here. 1 plus 0 plus 7. As we know that the property of 0 is, if you are adding 0 is in any number, then you will get the same number with you. Like if I am adding 1 plus 0, your answer would be 1. 2 plus 0, your answer would be 2. If you are adding 100 plus 0, your answer would be 100. Similarly, now I am adding 1 and 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So this is your answer. Since we are in 3rd, 4th and 5th class, so you must be aware of the place values also. So just read this number or spell it with me. It should be 8,67,988, which is your answer. So now we'll do some questions of our topic, additions of large number. We are having 3 numbers here. We will add these numbers. This is 53,106, 325, 6,210. So this is the largest number we are having. So write the place values of these numbers. 53,106, 6 is on ones place, 0 is on tens place, 1 is on hundreds place, 3 is on thousands place, and 5 is on 10,000s place. Now move to this second number, 325. This is on ones place, this number is on tens place, and this is on hundreds place. So write it down here on the ones place value, 2 is on tens place value, 3 is on 100 place value. Since we are not having more than 3 digits, so we won't write on thousands and 10,000s place. Now we are having 4th number, which is 6,210. 0 is on ones place, 1 is on tens place, 2 is on hundreds place, and 6 is on thousands place. We are not having the number on 10,000s place, so this place should be blank. Now just put the symbol of addition. Now just add these numbers as we do normally. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 0 is as I have told you earlier that according to the zero number property, if we are adding any number in 0, you will get the same number again. So we are having 11, so 11 plus 0 would be 11. Just write this 1 here and put this as carry. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Similarly, just move to next digits. On hundreds place, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 3 plus 6 is 9, and this is your 5. As we are not having any digit at this place and these two places, so these places would be considered as 0, or you may consider it as blank. So we are not having any digit over here, so this should be 5 only. So our answer is 59,641. Now move to question number 2. This is your first number and this one is your second number. This is 50,843 and this one is 5,39,156. So this is your larger number. So write the place value according to the larger number. Okay. Now just write down the first number. You may add this number into this or this number into this. Your result would be same. Okay. So I am writing this above this number. So this is your 50,843. 3 is on ones place, 4 is on tens place, 8 is on hundreds place, 0 is on thousands place, and 5 is on 10,000s place. Now your second number is 5,39,156. 6 is on ones place, 5 is on tens place, 1 is on hundreds place, 9 is on thousands place, 3 is on 10,000s place, and 5 is on lakhs place. Put the symbol. Now just add them. 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 4 is again 9, 8 plus 1 is again 9, 0 plus 9 will also be 9, 5 plus 3 is 8 and this is 5. So your answer is 5,89,999. Now question number 3, we are having again two numbers with us. This is 37,562 and this is 8,01,435. This one is your larger number. So write the place value according to that. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Now arrange the number. Earlier we have taken the first number above. Now I am going to take this number above so that you may know that if you are adding two different numbers in different order, you will get the same answer. So I am putting it above. 5 is on ones place, 3 is on tens place, 4 is on hundreds place, 1 is on thousands place, 0 on 10,000 place, and 8 on lakhs place. Now move to this number. 2 is on ones place, 6 on tens place, 5 on hundreds place, 7 on thousands place, and 3 is on 10,000s place. Now just add them. 5 plus 2 is 7, 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9, 7 plus 1 is 8, 3 plus 0 is 3, and this would be your 8. Since we are not having any digit over here, so this would be 8. So our answer is 8,38,997. So now our fourth question, we are having 4 number here. So this is 5,72,600, this is 15,234, 2,01,145, and this is your 13,010. So just arrange them. We are having 0 on ones place, again 0 on tens place, 6 on hundreds place, 2 on thousands place, 7 on 10,000s place, and 5 on lakhs place. Now our second number is 15,234. 4 is on ones place, 3 is on tens place, 2 is on hundreds place, 5 is on thousands place, and 1 is on 10,000s place. Now this one, 5 is on ones place, 4 is on tens place, 1 is on hundreds place, 1 is on thousands place, 0 is on 10,000s place, and 2 is on lakhs place. Last number is 0 is on ones place, 1 is on tens place, 0 is on hundreds place, 3 on thousands place, and 1 on 10,000s place. Now we are having 4 numbers, so just add them. 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, and 9 plus 0 is 9. 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, and 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 plus 0 would be 9. 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 8 plus 3 is 11. We are having 2-digit number, so just put the ones place here and just transfer this carry to the next place value. So this would be 1 over here, and this one, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 plus 1 is again 2-digit number, which is 10. So just write down the ones place digit at here and just transfer this number as carry to the next place value. So we are having 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. So this is your answer, 8,01,989. So now we are done with our today's topic, which is addition. We have learned the definition of addition, 2-digit numbers addition, 3-digit number addition, 4-digit number addition, and operation on large numbers like 5-digit numbers and 6-digit numbers. So you must be having some books with you, so just practice some question as much as you can do.